Fourth section, classification of groups. According to Dwight Sutterson, A. Involuntary groups, B. Voluntary groups, C. Delegate group. According to Coley, A. Primary group, B. Secondary group. You got pictures. Three, George Hudson. A. Unsocial, living to itself. B. Pseudo-social, participate in large society. C. Antisocial, act against the interest of society. According to Summers classification, in-group and out-group. Detail about in-group. It is a social group toward which a member feels respect and loyalty. It is a group that an individual identifies in positive direction. If a person is part of the group, then they are collectively part of an inner circle of friends. An inner circle may contain subgroups. Within the inner circle, including the apex, best friends, core, very close friends, outer rim, etc. This group provides a support structure, and being exclusive offers protection from anyone in an outgroup. Outgroup. It is a social group toward which a person feels a sense of competition or opposition. It is a group that an individual identifies in negative direction. Other types of groups, detail going on. Peer groups. A peer group is a group with members of approximately the same age, social status, and interest. Generally, people are relatively equal in terms of power when they interact with peers. Clique. The group of people that have many of the same interests commonly found in a high school, college setting. Most of the time, they have a name, rules for themselves. Club. A club is a group which usually requires one to apply to become a member. Such clubs may be dedicated to particular activities. Sporting clubs, for example. Cabal. A cabal is a group of people united in some close design together, usually to promote their private views or interest in a church, state, or other community, often by intrigue. Household. all individuals who live in a same home. Anglophone culture may include various models of household, including the family, blended families, share housing, and group homes. Community. It is a group of people with a commonality or sometimes a complex net of overlapping commonalities, often but not always in proximity with one another, with some degree of continuity over time. Gang. It is usually an urban group that gathers in a particular area. It is a group of people that often hang around each other. They can be like some clubs but much less formal. They are usually known in many countries to cause social unrest and also have negative influence on the members and may be a target for the law enforcers in case of any social voices. Mob. It is usually a group of people that has taken the law into their own hands. Mobs are usually groups which gather temporarily for a particular reason. Posse. It was originally found in English common law. It's generally obsolete and survives only in America, where it is the law enforcement equivalent of summoning the militia for military purpose. However, it can also refers to street group. Squad. This is usually a small group of around 3 to 15 people who work as a team to accomplish their goals. Dyad. This is a social group with two members. Social interaction in a dyad is typically more intense than in larger groups because neither members shares the other's attention with anyone else. Triad. This is a social group with three members, which contains three relationships, each uniting two of the three people. A triad is more stable than a dyad because one member can act as a mediator. Should the relationship between the other two become strained. Team. Similar to a squad, though a team may contain many more members, A team works in a similar way to a squad. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.